I've chosen to extend the painting onto the gallery walls via my dad's lottery ticket collection. Mind you, this is a very, very small part of that greater lottery ticket collection. And it's an opportunity for me to engage with the specific architecture of the space and also think about what's kind of embedded within the layers of my painting and how that can actually extend and come out and be visible in some ways. My father, he immigrated to Canada in the 80s, and he has played the lottery every single day of, his life in Canada. And so also in a way, it almost becomes like a diary of some sort or this archive of his time in Canada. And at the time, there wasn't a lot of South Asians in Toronto. And through his experiences, he did face a lot of racism and discrimination. And he can recall when he started to play the lottery, when he was introduced to the lottery, for him, it was really the first time he had experienced equality. And he said, if I had $1 or $2 to spare, it didn't matter that I looked different. It didn't matter that I didn't know how to speak English. I had just as good a chance as anyone else to win. The lottery ticket then, to me, becomes this symbol of hope and perseverance and determination and, this shot at living the Canadian dream, or for my dad, succeeding or accomplishing this really big thing. Taking a piece of my life and my life experiences and sharing that with the viewer and alongside the painting is something that's really exciting for me.